So what we've got here is a little circuit I built, covered with a little bit of Kapton tape because I got tired of triggering it with my fingers inadvertently. But what it is a power switch. When you push the button, it turns on. Big surprise. But if you just press it, it does not turn off. You have to press and hold. It's supposed to be 3 seconds, but it's turning out to be more like 7. If you turn it off soon after, it's based off of a capacitor charge, so it's a little bit analog. I don't know, I'm pretty pleased with the circuit, except for the fact that I trusted Adafruit's library, and well, the word from me is that the polarity is backwards, so I've had to modify this JST connector to work, but I'm going to have these boards remade to actually use the correct orientation. So I don't know what the hell's up with that, but moving on, I just thought I'd show you a little artwork on the back. Focus on that. Got a little chocobo hanging out. I don't know how close I can focus here, but quite impressed with the quality of that. So that's pretty cool. Anyways, moving on to the next project here. What we've got is the another Arduino Pro Mini, SparkFun battery charger, piezoelectric, and I have built a motherboard that's sandwiched in between there. And we've got a Adafruit OLED and a SparkFun BlackBerry trackball. So put you down for a second here while I transfer the lithium-ion battery. Get it plugged in there. Now I was prototyping. Thankfully I was prototyping and didn't put too many other components on that other one. We got a simple power switch on this bad boy here. So, as I always like to test on my new electronics components, NeonCat. As we can tell, it's running a little slow. It's partially due to the fact that we're running on 8 megahertz. But of course, the fact that I learned after building a board and soldering it all together that the pins defined in the Adafruit library for this display is that it is in software SPI. I thought that they were hardware pins because the Arduino has them, so I figured it would be using them, but well, I guess 2 learning events today not to trust what default comes from Adafruit. Good products, good support. Happy to have all their libraries, but apparently if you want to do anything more than just some simple blinking lights, you're going to have to double check their work. So anyways, hope to get this guy playing Tetris at the very least, maybe a few other silly things, but for now, I'm pretty happy. It's kind of small. Charges by that USB, and I've got the headers on there to program it via FTDI. So, I don't know, it's pretty fun. I'll build a small enclosure for this out of some polycarbonate. And got a battery monitor on there too, still calibrating that, but cool. Check back later.